Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming Watch OS is updated and the watch fits snugly, no loose bands. Once done, press the digital crown and open the blood oxygen app. Make sure wrist detection and health permissions are enabled on your iPhone so readings sync. You'll feel the watch settle. Stay still. The app uses the watch's sensors to measure reflection of red and infrared light, so proper contact and permissions are essential before you proceed to the measurement step. You sit upright, relax your arm on a table, and keep fingers and wrists steady. Movement causes errors. Then tap Start in the app and hold still for about 15 seconds while the watch counts down. Do not talk or raise your arm. The sensor pulses red and infrared light. The algorithm computes your blood oxygen percentage. Once the timer ends, make sure you read the displayed SpO2 value and wait for sync to the health app before repeating if you suspect a bad reading. You finish by reviewing results in the health app where trends and timestamps help interpretation. This shows the why behind repeating measurements. If readings jump or seem unlikely, make sure the watch is snug, clean the back sensor, and wait 10 minutes before retesting to restore circulation. If errors continue, restart the watch, check for Watch OS updates, and regrant health permissions. Remember, this is a wellness tool, not a medical diagnostic. Consult a clinician for concerning.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.